exit ticket preview. I really just want to talk about how do I type in my answer for question number 2, because question number 1 is going to be multiple choice. Again, you're never going to type m equals, okay? So say you think the slope is, I don't know, 3/4. That's all you type, 3/4. Don't put any spaces, nothing like that. If you think it's negative, you could say -3/4, or you could say 3/-4. Just, you should always start with the negative, I think, but as long as you have a negative in there somewhere, it's going to mark it as correct. No spaces, no decimals, no m, no equals. Just type the fraction, or if you have a whole number like 4, you would just type 4. No equals, no spaces. That'll make sure you don't accidentally get it marked wrong. That's it. Go ahead, show your work, and take your exit ticket.